आंध्र प्रदेश के वजीर बराए तालीम नारा लोकेश ने आज गुंटूर में मेगा सीए स्टूडेंट्स कॉन्फ्रेंस का इफ्तिताह किया। ये कॉन्फ्रेंस ICAI गुंटूर चैप्टर की जानिब से इदारे के क़याम को 76 साल मुकम्मल होने पर मुनक़्क़िद की गई। नारा लोकेश ने खिताब करते हुए इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया को दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा और मोतबर अकाउंटिंग इदारा करार दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोदी का ख्वाब है कि भारत 47 तक $30 ट्रिलियन की मईशत बने, जिसमें आंध्र प्रदेश का हिस्सा $2.4 ट्रिलियन का होगा।
ICAI is India's intellectual backbone. It has now turned almost 76 years old. As Sir said, I stand corrected. You are the largest accounting powerhouse in the world. You are also the most respected and recognized one. And I believe you are one of the very first to also adopt forensic accounting standards. I'd like to share some very interesting statistics. 10 lakh students appear for this exam. I've enlisted, and close to 2 lakh students appear for this exam twice a year. Now the strength of your entire organization is almost close to 4 lakh members and 54 overseas chapters. So wherever there is business, there is Bharat. And wherever there is Bharat, there is ICAI behind it. And to my surprise, when I was preparing for my speech, and to my surprise, I realized that Guntur is the CA factory of India. I thought Guntur doctors, engineers conquered the world. Clearly, I stand wrong. Guntur CAs have managed to conquer the world. Close to 10,000 students are pursuing this career. The number of students who are pursuing CA are higher than the students who are pursuing engineering and medicine combined.